Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for anyone dealing with excess moisture in their home or workspace. We found the ALORAIR Whole House Dehumidifier, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ALORAIR Whole House Dehumidifier? This powerful unit is designed to tackle humidity issues head-on, making it ideal for various environments including garages, basements, crawl spaces, and even larger commercial areas. With a moisture removal capacity of 90 pints per day, this commercial-grade dehumidifier is highly efficient and can effectively cover spaces up to 2,300 square feet. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its energy efficiency. Unlike traditional models that can significantly hike up your energy bill, the ALORAIR is engineered to remove moisture with less energy consumption. This means you can say goodbye to dampness without breaking the bank on electricity costs. It's a particularly suitable choice for homes with crawl spaces, where humidity can often be a hidden problem. Another impressive feature is the upgraded fresh air function. This allows the dehumidifier to introduce fresh air into your space while simultaneously managing humidity levels. The innovative fresh air damper utilizes a docking method that helps combat moisture issues even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the unit comes equipped with several operational modes, including GPP mode, continuous dehumidification mode, and a timer function, providing you with complete control over your indoor environment. Now, let's talk about versatility. The ALORAIR Whole House Dehumidifier offers multiple options for air intake and exhaust. You can choose between two configurations, forward air and rear air, or forward air and up air. This adjustability allows you to tailor the airflow to meet your specific needs, whether you're setting it up in a basement or a garage. Maintaining balanced humidity levels is crucial not just for comfort, but also for protecting your health and preventing issues like mold growth and structural damage. The automatic defrost feature is another highlight that sets this dehumidifier apart. Built-in sensors continuously monitor the ambient temperature. If it gets too cold, the unit automatically initiates a defrost cycle, allowing it to thaw any frost buildup while the fan continues to run. This not only conserves energy but also helps prolong the lifespan of the unit, making it a smart investment for the long term. The ALORAIR Whole House Dehumidifier is perfect for a range of users. Whether you're a homeowner looking to keep your living space dry and comfortable, a business owner needing to ensure optimal conditions in your commercial property, or even a contractor involved in water damage restoration, this unit is designed to meet your needs. Practical use cases for this dehumidifier are numerous. For instance, if you have a basement that tends to be damp, this unit can effectively reduce moisture levels, preventing mold and musty odors. In a garage where humidity can affect tools and equipment, maintaining a dry environment is essential. It's also fantastic for crawl spaces, where moisture can lead to serious structural issues over time. In larger spaces or facilities, the ALORAIR can be connected through a pipeline to dehumidify multiple rooms efficiently. It can also work in series or parallel with other ventilation equipment, allowing for comprehensive humidity management in more extensive setups. In conclusion, the ALORAIR Whole House Dehumidifier is a powerful, energy-efficient solution for anyone looking to combat excess humidity. With its versatile features and practical applications, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to